Hello, welcome to my channel Traveling Freak Girl, and this is a vlog about Dubai. Once the second wave of COVID in April entered India, UAE stopped the tourist visa from India. 5th of August 2021, UAE lifted ban from transit passengers for 6 countries including India. Only thing was they have to be fully vaccinated, and there were certain rules they had to follow. Click on the link below and you will find out vaccinated people how they can travel to Dubai. First thing you want to do is get the Dubai visa. As soon as you enter this website dubai.in, that it's mentioned into this Dubai e-visa.in, the page which opens. Just go to either you log in your email address or this, or just log in through your Google account. Just go directly to apply now. It is simple. Just write your name, email address, phone number, flight. You don't have to book the flight, Indigo or whatever. Just say not yet booked, yet to book. And let's see the visa type. So there is 96 hours Dubai transit visa with medical insurance, 14 days Dubai tourist visa for medical insurance with COVID. So 30-day Dubai tourist visa with medical insurance. Let's see, 15 days is 6,500, 14 days and 30 days is 6,750. So I think you can go for 14 days because I don't think you will be traveling more than 14 days. Anyways, Dubai is very expensive, so just write the dates whenever you're planning to go, estimated date. Dubai visa documents. First thing, you need a photo with white background, and you can take the screenshot of this picture. Scanned copy of your photograph. Then of course scanned copy of your PAN card, scanned copy of the passport first page and the last page, employment ID, visitor card with 3 months scanned bank statement attached by a bank officer. Newly married couple from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nepal, they will have to give a NOC from the parents and 100 rupees stamp notarized affiliated document. For more travel tips and preparation for Dubai, please continue to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe, like the channel and press the bell icon for updated on new exciting videos and to see this Dubai series. COVID test, we have to take a PCR test approved from the government labs from 48 hours before your flight. That means whenever you're taking your flight, once you land in Dubai, it should be 48 hours. There is a link below, Spice Health, and I'll explain everything how I got my COVID test done. And it is quite easy. You just book them and they come at your place if you're in Delhi and metro cities, and get the test done, and they're very quick and easy to do. SpiceJet gives an online. They have this number 124-496-7000 and customer care at spicehealth.com, and you can just click on it and book the test. Just have to write your number, email address, and you'll get an OTP. RT-PCR test at the centers is 500, and at they have if you collect it at home, it's 700. So you can pay online and book your test, and they'll give you the reports within 48 hours.
Next, I'm gonna give all the centers name like Delhi, Haryana, all the states wherever the centers are there. You can book it. Delhi, Haryana, Bombay, whatever, all the places. You can take the screenshot and call them and ask. Just remember, you have to take 4 tests in total. One would be 48 hours before boarding the flight. Second, 6 hours before you board the flight. This is a new thing which they have added. Once you reach Dubai, after immigration, you will have to go through a mandatory COVID test. The report will come online, and before after that only you can go out. Like, you have to quarantine for half a day or one night maybe. So try to book the flight which is like in the late evening or something. You'll reach and overnight, and by the morning you'll get your COVID report, and then you're free to travel wherever you want. When while coming back also, you're supposed to get the COVID test done. I'll guide you for that also, how you're going to book from a app, from a government app which is quite cheap comparatively to the private apps they have, which is very expensive over there. And stay tuned, next video